Welcome to Cbse math classes. Today we are going to discuss about Roman numerals. Ancient Romans used symbols to write numbers. There are 7 basic Roman numerals: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Let's learn how to read and write Roman numbers. Before that, let me give you a tip. A century is 100 years. It starts with C. So C for 100. A millennium is 1000 years. It starts with M. So M for 1000. You can also use this sentence to help you remember the order. My dear cat loves extra vanilla ice cream. Or you can remember like IVXLCDM pattern. Now we can discuss some basic rules. The first rule is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times it occurs. We can see some examples. I is repeated 2 times. So the value of I is 1. So 1 will be added 2 times. 1 plus 1 gives 2. X is repeated 2 times. The value of X is 10. So 10 plus 10 gives 20. Similarly, here also we have 2 other examples. X repeated 3 times, so the value is 30. C is repeated 3 times, so its value will be added 3 times. 100 plus 100 plus 100 gives 300. Another rule is, a symbol can be repeated only 3 times. And the symbols VLD never repeats. See the sentence, XXXX, VVLL, DD, XVV are not written. Can you tell why? See here, you can see 4x. The symbol can be repeated only 3 times. That's why XXXX doesn't occur. Now VVLLDDXVV. If you notice here, you can see that the symbols VLD is repeated 2 times. We know that VLD never repeats. Here is our next rule. When a smaller symbol appears after a larger or equal symbol, it is added. Here we have 2 examples. VI. Here the symbol I appears after the larger symbol V. 1 appears after 5. So the values will be added. So 5 plus 1 gives 6. Some more examples. LXV. So you can see the numerals are arranged in descending order. LXV 50, 10, 5. So the smaller symbols are appearing after the larger, descending order. So it will be added. So gives the answer 65. The next example, DCCI. The symbols are in descending order. 500, 100, 100, 1. 700, 1. Next, CCC. VII. Here also the symbols are in descending order, and also we can see that symbol C is repeated 3 times. So the value can be found by 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 5 plus 2 gives the answer 307. Next rule is, if the symbol appears before a larger symbol, it is subtracted. We can subtract only one symbol from the other. Here we have IV. See, 1 is written before 5. So the value will be subtracted. 5 minus 1 gives the answer 4. I is written before X. 1 is written before 10. So 10 minus 1 gives 9. XL. 10 is written before 50. So 50 minus 10 gives 40. XC. 10 is written just before C. So 100 minus 10 gives 90. CM. The value of C is 100 and value of M is 1000. So 100 is written just before 1000. Smaller value is written before a larger symbol means it is subtracted. So 1000 minus 100 gives 900. Here is the next point. V, L and D are never subtracted. We have also learned that V, L and D never repeats. And the next point is, I can be subtracted from V and X only. How do we write 99? Can we write 99 as 100 minus 1? Then IC? Is it possible? No. Why? Because I can be subtracted only from V and X only. So the 99 cannot be expressed as IC. Then how could you express 99? So we can split the number 99 as 90 plus 9. Then how will you represent 90? 100 minus 10 XC. So 90 plus 9 XC IX. Write the Roman numerals for the following numbers. 85 can be written as 80 plus 5. So for writing 80, you first need to write 50 L. Then we need 30 more. So repeating X 3 times, X, X, X. For 5, we are writing V. Next, 40. 40 means 50 minus 10. So writing X before L. So the answer is XL. 900. 900 can be represented as C is subtracted from M. CM is the answer. Next is 2020. The current year. 2000 plus 20. How do you write 2000? Just repeat the simple M 2 times. Then how do we write 20? Repeat the symbol X 2 times. So we get M, M, X, X. Now we have 3045. First you split and write. 3000 plus 40 plus 5. How do we write 1000? Repeats M 3 times. So M, M, M. How do we write 40? 40 is XL. You write that one. Then for 5, we are writing V. So the answer is M, 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 XL, V. 8210. How do we represent this number in Roman numeral? First of all, you have to expand the number. Split it up. 8000 plus 200 plus 10. How do we represent 8000? Yes, write 8 and put a bar on the top of 8. 200, repeat the symbol C 2 times. For 10, you write X. Our next problem, 4562. Expanded form, 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 2. How do we represent 4000? Write 4 and put a bar on the top. 500, D, 60, L, X. 50 plus 10 gives 60. 2, I. The next one is 7054. So there's 7000 plus 50 plus 4. For writing 7000, you write 7, then put a bar. For 50, we write L, and 4, we write IV. Next, we can convert Roman numerals into digits. CM, L, X, IV. First of all, find the value of each symbol. C for 100, M for 1000, L for 50, X for 10, I for 1 and V for 5. Now let's see if there are any symbols appearing before bigger symbols. Yes, here we have C appearing before M and I appearing before V. So that all values have to be subtracted, all other values can be added. Now let's add or subtract the values. 1000 minus 100, 50, 10, 5. Then 5 minus 1, you have 4. Can you guess the number? Yes, 974. Let's try another example. Convert this Roman numeral into digits. MDCXLV. Let's do it. How do we start? First, we find the values of all the symbols. Yes, M for 1000, D for 500, C for 100, X for 10, L for 50 and V for 5. Next, we find any smaller value that appear before the bigger values. Here you can see that X is appearing before the bigger value L. So let's add or subtract the values. 1000 plus 500 plus 100. Here you need to subtract. So 50 minus 10 and that plus 5. 1000 plus 500 plus 100 is 600. 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 5. Can you guess it? Nice job. 1645. Now here you have the assignment. Write the Roman numeral for the following numbers and convert the following Roman numerals into digits. So thank you for watching. If you understand the video, please like, share and subscribe.